Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Shishubat Facebook page. As usual, I'm with you. This is Shirin Bokura, assistant teacher, Ramadpur Government Primary School from Fulbari Dinajpur. And today I would like to share with you another class. And this is requested by you because already I shared with you different kind of pronunciation is English letters in English alphabet. So in details, I just share with you today. This is different kind of letters you already see here. So at first, I would like to discuss this C letter, and here is C. Different kind of words here, and let's discuss this at first C letters: circle, circus, cactus, cat. Circle, circle. So here you see that this is C letter, right? Yeah, this is C letter. Also, this is C letter. So this C letter pronounced here C sound, right? And this here is the sound like a sound, and its pronunciation cactus, cactus, and it's cat, right? So which pronunciation, which sound is produced here? This is sound. So how many sound we get here? Two sound like sh and kha, right? So let's know about another word. This another letter is here I. So here is see bed, net, feel, see, it, read. So here I letter pronounced like a sound, right? So here you see these E letters pronounce E letter, E sound, like a long E sound, long E sound. And here is C, E sound, shut E sound. So E letter pronounce here three kind of sounds like E, E, and A. Okay, let's know about I later. And this is island word: iPad, igloo, least, beat, third, but. So let's observe the sound is here I, and here the sound produced like E, and here the I sound produced here A. Okay, so there also we can see A, E, and A. Okay, now let's discuss the O sound. Odd, October, open, over, other, another, book, and loop. So this sound is like that O, and this sound is like that O, and this sound is like A. And here is the O sound. That means O letter produce here many kind of sound like O, like A, U, and O. Okay, so let's discuss the with the S letter here is sun and sorry. That means sound. And here ship, short. That means sound. And here is the bass and scissors, scissors. That means this is later produce here sound. So we get here three sounds like sha, sha, and ja. And let's know about T. There is C, tone, and tension. That means it produces ta sound. And here is C, tone. That means it produces ta sound. And also here ta sound. And this is tension. That means sha. Mention. That means sha. Okay. So T letter also produce ta, sha, like this sound. And here is the culture. Culture also produce here sound. That means T sound produce ta, and ch, right? So here you see another word, this another letter here, U. U means united here. That means it's produced U. And up and upper. Here you see up. These two U produce sound A here. Upset also. And blue, clue, and beautiful. Beautiful. That means here U sound produce U. Right? So here we get U, A, and U. This U later produce three kind of sound like U, A, and U. Okay? So this is W, and W later produce many kind of sound also. And there is wa, window, wonder, and home, quiz. That means it produces here ha, it produces here o, it produces here u, and it produces here uwa. Okay, and like this way, y. Y later also produce many kind of sounds like boy, oi, oi, boy, air, air, aired, and deeply. Here, the sound is E. So how many sounds we get here? Three kind of sounds we get here. You also try to find out another sound through observing any words with this kind of letters. So this is the main discussion of these letters. We actually need to know that how many sounds this letter produce, because it's helpful to pronunciation our every English word, and it's also help our children to learning English better. Okay, so here the rest of the sound is already here, and this sounds like like a ha, pa. These all kind of letters produce only one sound. Okay, so I just share with you everything at a glance. So here is C, all of the letters and their sounds. And I hope you practice with these sounds more and more, and you help to teach your children with this sound. Thank you so much for watching us. Allah Hafiz.